यूं तो जाना है हर किसी को एक दिन, पर तुमको इतनी जल्दी क्या थी भैया। यूं तो समेटना हर किसी को है तामझाम सब, पर तुमको इतनी जल्दी क्या थी भैया। सबकी हिंदी अंग्रेजी कर डाली, कुछ उर्दू अरबी बाकी है। लंच बॉक्स आज दोपहर का अभी भी खुलना बाकी है। थोड़ा और ठहर जाते मकबूल, इतनी जल्दी क्या थी भैया। सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए थे, सोने के हर्फ तारीखों पर जब छोड़ दिए थे। सांसों की जंग में दद्दा पान सिंह थोड़ा और दौड़ते ना, ये बेसमय सो जाने की इतनी जल्दी क्या थी भैया। हाय, दिस इज पीपी की स्मोक रिमेंबरिंग द लेजेंड इरफान खान. Irfan Khan, an actor, a motivator, an inspiration for the entire nation. With so much of chaos all around us, this was another blow for all movie and art lovers, a setback for entire nation. Irfan was born in Jaipur on 7th of January in the year 1967. He had a span of over 30 years of acting, not just in India, but also in British and American films too. During his 30 years of acting career, he was awarded with numerous awards, including the National Award for Mansingh Tomar and Padam Shri for his contribution to Indian cinema. Irfan, a pupil of National School of Drama Delhi, started his big screen career with Salaam Bombay, which was followed by a lot of struggle, but as they say, there is no gain without pain, and this was probably his philosophy. All that struggle was paid off later, as even Hollywood directors like Steven Spielberg and Ang Lee didn't hesitate to offer him important roles in their movies. His evergreen movies like Maqbool, Hasil, Pan Singh Tomar, Hindi Medium, The Namesake, The Lunchbox, and many others, which created his humongous popularity among all kinds of genre-loving audience. He truly proved that if the actor is dedicated, hardworking, rooted to the basics, and has a never quitting attitude, then no journey is impossible. Talent and hard work will definitely be noticed. I can quite confidently claim that there has been no actor who could sideline him. As he rightly said in one of his movies, किस्मत की एक खास बात होती है कि वो पलटती है. While he was at peak of his popularity, the gods started to want him even more, and he was unfortunately diagnosed with a very fatal medical problem called neuroendocrine tumor, or in simple words, a brain tumor which was a very rare form of cancer. He had to travel to London for his treatment. While speculations being made by media houses, fans, the entire film fraternity, he released a message for all on his Twitter account stating, "Maybe somewhere in the pursuit of winning, we forget how much it means to be loved. In our vulnerability, we are reminded. As I leave my footprints onto these steps of my life, I want to pause to be grateful for receiving your immense love and support. It soothed me in my process of healing, so I travel back to you, thanking you from the bottom of my heart." This shows the true character of this legend whom we all know as Irfan Khan. His last movie, Angrezi Medium, also had a similar thanking note from the actor to his fans, where he had hinted all of us of his declining health, but still wanted to make a comeback. There was a dialogue from his movie, Life of Pi, which goes like this: "I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go, but what always hurts the most is not taking a moment to say goodbye." In movie Heather, in a scene he was asked that why he would not die, and his reply seems so real today. "मैं नहीं मरूंगा, क्योंकि आप जिस्म हैं, मैं रूह। आप फानी, मैं लाफानी। दरिया भी मैं, दरख्त भी मैं, झेलम भी मैं, चिनार भी मैं। दैर भी हूँ, हरम भी हूँ, शिया भी हूँ, सुन्नी भी हूँ। मैं हूँ पंडित, मैं था, मैं हूँ और मैं रहूंगा." Still can't believe that we have to bid him goodbye, but then we all hope that the talented soul would be resting in a much better world than this. In his own words, "एक बार तो यूं होगा, थोड़ा सा सुकून होगा, न दिल में कसक होगी, न सर में जुनून होगा." Irfan sir, the news of you not being there anymore has taken this movie lover aback. You are one of the inspirations. After watching whose work I fell in love with the art of movie making. This video is a tribute to you, but it is more of a condolence for me and millions of other fans like me who will not be getting any new masterpiece of yours. The work that you have done till now, be it on television or big screen, will always stay with us. It will not just entertain us, but will inspire us to work hard and keep moving in the direction of what we love to do. I am grateful to God that I am born in an era when Irfan Khan lived and acted. Thank you for leaving us the inheritance of your work. Your contribution to art will always stay with us as not just entertainment, but as an institution to learn from for generations to come. Thank you, Irfan sir, for being a part of our lives through your work. You will always be loved and remembered. You will always inspire us. This is PP Ki Smoke signing off until our next act. Thank you.